Hi everyone, this is Tracy with Paper Closet Designs, and today I'm doing some videos and I wanted to show you how to make these little matchbook treat covers. So I've got a couple of videos and I'm going to show you how to do them, but I wanted to show you what I've got so far. I'm working on some more. I've got some St. Patrick's Day and some birthday ones in the works, but let me show you what we've done so far, because this video will cover all of these. I'm trying to get this in the screen. The video will cover all of these. So first off, I did some fall ones. So I have the acorn, and I have the pumpkin. Some of these are a little worn because I've already done the videos on them. I've had them in the display case at work or at the store. So there you go. So I did some fall ones, and then I did some Halloween ones. I did a bunch of Halloween ones. So I've got the witches. Can't really see her very well. Anyway, I've got the witch, and I've got the little mummy. I think he's really cute. I'm trying to get in the middle of the screen here. And then I've got Mr. Frankenstein. I don't know what happened to his front panel. Like I said, I've been doing some videos and stuff with him. So there's the front panel. Got a monster one, so for your little monster. Oh, here's another fall one. This is our scarecrow. And then I did some Christmas ones, and I did like 6 Christmas ones. So, and the first set, we've got the Christmas trees, kind of going at an angle. And the sock, everybody needs a stocking for Christmas. And of course, Santa. There's our little Santa. I don't know if you can see him. And then the other Christmas ones were, I've got a gingerbread guy. He's kind of fallen off there because he's caught on the back. So there's your little gingerbread. And these are all just layered, very, very simple. They go together really, really quick. They don't take a lot of paper, but they make great little gifts. So a Christmas ornament, and then of course the nativity. That's probably my favorite one. And then my new ones that I'm just releasing today, I've got 3 Valentine ones. So you've got a couple weeks before Valentine's gets started. We have the Be Mine. If you can see that or not. And the XOXO. Tell somebody you love them. And then the double heart. So I'm going to show you a video how to put all of these together, and let's go ahead and get started with that. Hi everyone, this is Tracy from Paper Closet Designs, and I am here to show you a video today on how to assemble these Matchbox treat covers. I've done quite a few of them. I've got some Christmas ones and some birthday ones, a bunch of different ones. They're really simple to do, and they're lots and lots of fun to give away. I know a lot of people have been doing these for craft shows and boutiques, which is totally awesome. So the way that these work is they're a little matchbox, and they have a belly band. The belly band slips off, and then you can just open it up, and you have your little treats in there. So this one is some red and pink M&Ms for Valentine's Day, and then you just simply close it back up and slip your belly band back on. And these are so fun and so easy to do, and a great way to add a little bit of something special to just your average little candy or whatever. So that's the Be Mine. This one is the double heart, and all of them come with a back panel. So on this one I just wrote to Emmy from Grandma, and then again another belly band. And they fit perfectly for, oh, I didn't staple that in very good. They work perfectly for the little fun packs too. This is some little Reese's, my granddaughter's favorite. And then you just pop that back in, and your little belly band can slide back in. And then the last one that I have for Valentine's is the XOXO, and that's the one I'm going to show you how to do today. So your files come with the belly band. I don't know if you can see that, and it's scored. And I've already gone ahead and glued on all the embellishments to layer it. And then you're going to wait to glue it until you actually put it on there so that you can get a right fit. And then this is the Matchbox, and it's scored, and it has 3 panels. So I glued the first panel on, and then here's the front, the second front panel, and then the back panel if you wanted to write on it or stamp on it or whatever. So you're going to take your little bag full of treats. This is just some sixlets, and I put them in a little tiny Ziploc bag. And for these, I usually fold this over just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can open up your belly or your matchbook, and then I'm going to just stick it down here and put this little fold up over it. And make sure that everything's flat. I'm going to get my stapler. And then I want to staple it. Whoops, I'm losing it a little bit. I want to staple it down towards the bottom, but I want to make sure that I get that bag in there. So I'm just going to hold it. If you staple it up here, then your card's not going to tuck in. So you want to kind of staple it into the bottom. And I do too. You can do whatever you think is necessary. So pretty simple. And then you're just going to take this little band, or this little panel, and these would be so cute cut out of printed paper too. Just going to run some glue or a tape runner across it, and then stick it on there just enough to cover the staples down there on the bottom. Okay, and I can just tuck that right in there like that. I'm going to flip it over. The sixlets are a little bit thicker than like the M&Ms or the fun packs. They still work great. Go ahead and stamp or write or whatever you want on the back of this one. And we're going to put some tape on it and then cover it up on the back. And you can put it down lower and cover up your staples or whatever you want. I didn't get that on very centered. And then the reason I wait to glue this on until after is because, like I said, depending on what you put in here, it might be a little bit fuller. So the sixlets or the little balls are a little bit more, or a little bit heavier, thicker than like M&Ms. So you're going to score your belly band. I'm just going to fold it over here, bring it over up to over the top, and then all I do, I kind of want to center it a little bit. Then I'm just going to take my tape runner or glue, doesn't matter. Oops. And fold that over and press it. And then you've got a nice little matchbook. Like I said, I've got some Halloween, Christmas. I'm working on some St. Patrick's Day ones. These are just a lot of fun and a great way to share a little treat with somebody special. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for joining me today. Go ahead and hit subscribe on the bottom there. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And I look forward to visiting with you again. Thanks. Bye-bye.